guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be my shiny moisturized wash and go. Like literally when I did this wash and go, my hair was so shiny that I literally wanted to put powder on it just to dumb it down some. Like it was that freaking shiny, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's just hop right into it. This is another killer combo apparently because I felt like I killed it, okay? So my hair is already washed and conditioned and all that good stuff. And I have leave-in conditioner on it. I use the Mish Beauty leave-in conditioner. You guys should already know I absolutely love this stuff. And I have a 20% off code, so I'll put that in the description bar. I literally have not listened to anything I said. Please try out Mish Beauty. Like, it's just that moisturizing. But we're going to hop right into this video. Normally, I have a bag on my hair, but I ain't feel like going downstairs and get no bag, so we ain't gonna get no bag. I had to stop the autofocus because I ain't got time for all that ticking noise and stuff. Okay, so all I have on my hair right now is the Mish Beauty. Tried to told you, girl. I tried to told you. So what I'm gonna do, honestly, it's actually a little bit too moisturized. I actually put a little too much. So I'm gonna try to grab some of this product off of my hair. When I did it last time, I used them by themselves, and it was super moisturizing, so I have no idea why I added this. But I just felt like I just wanted to use it because I missed it. Oh, my mama calling me. Hold on, y'all. But I'm going to just soak some of that out with the towel. I bet y'all be like, dang, Kill, you get right into the videos. Duh. I'm going to leave this just on my lap because I can't have too much on my neck when I'm doing my wash and goes. Like, I feel like I gotta just be free. The first product that I'm going to be using is the Mielle Curling Custard. You guys, this stuff right here, I honestly think this is the deciding factor of it looking shiny in a mug. Because I'm just so shook every time I use this product. So, I'm just going to go ahead and take like this much. Ooh, child. And just run that through my hair. And I'm just gonna, honestly, since my hair is so moisturized, I really don't feel like I need to, like, go in super small sections. And I'm only adding the curling custard right now. Can y'all see how this is just, like, giving my hair extra wet look? It just looks extra wet. This ain't even just my camera doing this. Like, it literally looks extra wet. That is gonna give you moisture, but for my hair, this does not give me hold. It's just definitely just moisture. It's like a cream on crack. So the last time I did this wash and go, I used my Wetline Extreme Professional, and I used the blue one, but I got my hands on the clear one. I got my hands on the clear one, friends. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open it. Go ahead and open it. And they smell just alike. The blue one and the clear one, they smell the same. So what I'm going to do is start from the bottom. Move my way up. Just like anything else in life. Start from the bottom, girl. Alright, so just going to go in with some of this clear gel. And put this on the top of the curling custard. I know y'all like, wait, what? You know, no, like this is legit, y'all. If y'all haven't tried this curling custard with a gel on top, sis, you missing out. You really missing out. I need my water bottle. Where's my water bottle? Oh. I bet y'all looking at it like, girl, your hair is just already moisturized. Don't tell me I got too much moisture. Don't do that. Don't do that, friend. Do what I want to do. So, y'all know how I do. I'm just going to continue to add these products. I'm going to be going in with the curling custard and with the Extreme Wetline gel on top. And I'm going to do this for the rest of my head. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, so my hair is semi-dry. My roots, some of my roots are still, and this bottom half, like, is always kind of still wet just because it's resting on, like, my neck and stuff. But I did sit under the dryer for like an hour. So now I'm just going to stretch my hair. I do have a stretching video already out. I'll link it above so you guys can see how I stretch my hair. But I did want to show you guys how my hair looks before I did that. Y'all, it looks so shiny. Like you can't put the details on a video. Like, this shine is for real. Like, even in person, it's like, why is your hair so shiny? So I'm going to just stretch out my hair and then I'll be right back. Okay. Yes, it honestly came out the exact same way it did last time. What? Say what? Love it. Love it. Oh my god, it's just perfect. This wash and go is perfect. It's shiny in a mug, but like, it's a vibe. It's a whole freaking vibe. I love just like all of my curls are so separated. You just gotta go in and just like boop, boop, and you can separate like every single one of them. It's the products. It's the products. It's not even necessarily my technique. It was a lot about the products. I mean, I got a good technique too, don't get me wrong, but these products together, y'all, please, y'all gotta try. Y'all gotta try this combo. It's so good. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys really like this video. It is shiny, defined, moisturized. Girl, the moisture, the shine is just telling you how moisturized it is. Like, it's so moisturized, but defined and shiny. Like, does it get any better than this? Does it get any better? So I'm giving you guys a 360 because I'm feeling myself. For reals. Yes, God. Yes. Ooh, girl. I went to Cancun and I have a sunburn on top of my henna. So you can see my skin is peeling and you can see this henna that looks like I drew on myself. Sorry. It's going to take a minute to go away. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. So excited to share this video with you guys because when it came out shiny like that, I was like, bet. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.